Colours of the world, dream up your life. Every boy, every girl, dream up your life. People of the world, dream up your life. Aww. Molly's feeling a bit sorry for herself because she has to wear the cone of shame at the moment because she keeps licking and going at her left paw, and it's been going on for weeks now. And there's nothing technically wrong other than self-harm. So she's going to have to wear this for a week, and this is the first day and she's not very happy, but she's made friends with me now. So I'm just cuddling her to make sure she knows it's going to be alright. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how to make cuticle oil, and what you need for this is a jojoba oil, avocado oil and olive oil, and this is just shop bought extra virgin olive oil, just so you can get it from a supermarket. And the essential oils I'm going to be using are lemon, geranium, and frankincense. And I will just, I know Molly, I'm sorry. I know you're feeling sorry for yourself. I'm sorry too, I'm sorry. Anyway, I will talk you through the benefits of the essential oils later. Okay, like I said earlier, these are the essential oils. So I'm going to be using frankincense. So frankincense is used, as far as nails are concerned, being used to promote nail growth. Its antifungal properties help fight fungi that can slow down nail growth, whilst its moisturising properties treat and prevent peeling in the cuticle. And geranium. So geranium helps moisturise nails and cuticles while promoting healthy and strong nail growth. Its antibacterial and antiseptic properties also protect the cuticles and nails from fungus and infections, which can hinder proper nail growth. And the last one then is lemon. Lemon is reputed to harden nails as well as treat peeling and nail damage. Lemon oil's rich antioxidant profile also replenishes dry cuticles when applied with a moisturising carrier oil. First off, you'll need 3 teaspoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of avocado oil, and 1 teaspoon of jojoba, 12 drops of frankincense, 12 drops of geranium, 12 drops of lemon. Stir it together. And I just pour it into a pipette bottle using a funnel. That was quite a large pipette bottle I used, so it's made out, is that 2/3 maybe, of that size bottle. And I'll just show you what it's like on, obviously it's pipette, so you just squeeze the top, get the oil out. I'll just put some on my nails. I'll just do it on one hand. Anyway, so that's just to show you it in action. You liked that video and found it interesting. If you do like this video and you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe. And if you've got any questions, please put them in the comments box. Thank you for now. Bye.